Hi, I want to show you the martial application of Qigong. We're going to go into a movement today to see how the application takes place. So go ahead and have your feet in a comfortable position. Micro bend your knees, let your spine be long. Imagine your head is held up by a string to a star. Place your tongue behind the two front teeth. Place one arm out to the side as you turn, facing up like a stop sign, the other down. Turn your body in that direction. As you start to turn in the other direction, you're going to sweep that back arm up and around and keep this pattern going. One arm goes down, the other one sweeps across. And now the next time you get to the side, if you have this down, as the back arm is coming up, take the opposite leg, bend the knee, and switch your weight a little bit so that the perineum is over the opposite leg. Now bring that leg down. Keep doing the movement. Same with the other side. Bring that leg up. And now keep doing the movement. Bring that knee up. See if you can start to kick. You might lose your balance. Come back. Sweep the arm up. Put your weight on your other foot and see what direction could you kick in easily. Now if we speed this up, and you don't have to, we just go around. And just notice you can kick as the back arm comes up. One more. As we do water, we're going to come into a position, same kind of posture, and we're going to allow the arms to go up to shoulder height. Hands come back to the ears, bend the knees, go down. Squat, back up, and down. And now I want you to do the same thing. As we're in the squat, imagine someone is kicking over your head. Now see if you can turn to either side to get out of it. And then come back up. Arms go out. Try it with thrust a couple of times. Going from here to here. Here to here. Here to here. And then back down. Arms go up. Now let's go ahead and take this down. Take it to the side and bring one knee down. Come back up. Arms go down. Once again. Arms up. Back to the ears as the knee goes down. As that knee goes down, see if you can start to come onto the floor. Find a way to bring your butt down. Roll around and come back up again. If you can't do that, do it badly. That is perfectly fine. Coming back to the movement, arms up, down, martial application. Can you bring one knee to the floor? Do my other knee. From here, can you bring one hand to the floor? From there, can you bring your butt to the floor? Can you cross your leg over and come up to stand in whatever way works best for you? I wanted to show you two martial applications in Qigong. I will show more later. Just know that the slow movement is to practice for you going fast, for your self-defense. Thank you for joining me.